Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2020 BMW M235i Gran Coupe in black sapphire metallic. With HID headlamps, electronic stability control, 19-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, blind spot monitoring, LED tail lamps, rear performance spoiler, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 13,000 miles on the odometer, 8.8-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, rear folding seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6599A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.